When you're choosing to buy a home and you're picking out neighborhoods, you should also be really aware of which agent you're having represent you. They're your face in the marketplace. They are your advocate. So you want somebody who's well-liked, professional, full-time, and seasoned. My unique value proposition is that I have been in real estate since 1994. I have lots of happy clients and I have so many stories I could share with you, but what makes me different is the level of service that I bring to the table. It's very professional, but it's with a touch of a good neighbor. So other agents love working with me. Some agents don't get along, but everybody likes me. You'll love me. Once you get to know me, you will love me. Thanks, neighbor. Happy day.